Hello, fellow Honda Fit owners. I just wanted to show you how you reset the oil life monitor on a 2018 and I assume 2019, maybe even newer models, depending on when you're watching this. But anyways, if I remember right, this is an LX model. This is a fancy one with a Android Auto, Apple CarPlay head unit, and I got like the side camera over there. So it may be different if you have the LX, the base model, but this is how it works on a car that's set up like this. So you push the engine twice to put it into accessory modes. You could also just turn the engine on if you want. But normally, if it was already reset, you'd have the reminder right here. But you'll go down and you'll select down into vehicle settings. Then hit select. And on here, you'll see now you got the tire pressure monitor system calibration. Go down to maintenance info, press select, and then you can go in and reset. But since I just changed it, you don't have to do it. So I'm going to press cancel. And yeah, so that's how you do it. Really frustrated me. So hopefully if you are currently Googling something because you are having a hard time yourself, hopefully you found this video helpful. Have a great day.